If you're visiting Rhode Island, Mass, or Connecticut and you need a beach wheelchair rental, here at Mobility Equipment Recyclers, we have some great options for you. The first thing you need to pay attention to is taking off the wheels. Once the clip is taken out, you can remove the wheel like so. Now that both of the big wheels are off, we want to remove the front wheels. Just like so. Some people can get into the car at this point, but if not, you're going to remove these pins in the back here, right here. Make sure that's facing the right way, like that, and this falls right in on itself. Once it's completely disassembled, you should have a nice tight frame like this. You should have 4 press pins, 2 carded pins, 2 caster wheels, and 2 large tires. Now we're going to reassemble the chair. You want to pull up on this, pull down on this, and put that back into the seated position, just like so. You're going to come around and grab your pins, and make sure you line up your holes and put the pin through. Sometimes it's easier to turn it on its side like this. Go through. Now once you have the big wheels on the back, you want to focus on tilting the chair all the way back, putting it right on the push bars there. You're going to take your caster wheels, this is what these are called. You're going to put them through the front bars here. You're going to grab your pin, make sure your hole is nice and lined up, and put your pin through. Now your beach wheelchair is ready to roll.
Do you need the flexibility to drop off or pick up your rental outside of normal business hours? No problem. Located at the back of our store, you'll find the drop-off shed located next to the sign with our logo. Simply enter the combination that we have provided you to open the lock and take or leave your rental right inside and lock up once you're done. Our flexibility is one of the many reasons we are your one-stop shop for all your mobility needs.